Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today I will talk about our company that's called Retoucher Sdn Bhd. Okay, Retoucher Sdn Bhd was incorporated in 2001 and today it has about 150 employees nationwide. The company core business is transportation of house goods and commercial logistics, and our tagline is delighting you always. How we get the name Retoucher? Actually, Retoucher means together in English, and Retoucher is Spain words for together. We have 4 members in our team, and we discussed together and want to create the company that name called Retoucher. So that is how we come up with the company name Retoucher Sdn Bhd. Alright, so next I will show all of you guys our Retoucher plan layout. We create our warehouse very systematic and perfectly. We use also great technology and material handling in our warehouse. This is because to make sure that our customers satisfied with our service.
Assalamualaikum. Now I will present about location decision. First characteristic is accessibility. Our warehouse is near with Sultan Abdul Aziz Shah Airport, which is 32.8 km, near with KTM Port Klang Station, and we're at the Port Klang Free Zone. It can be explore facility with easy access to highway and road that offer a direct connection to the airport. The second characteristic is market and local. Our new house should be as close as possible to major supply and customers. And warehouse are built near of highway that can direct to main city Kuala Lumpur. This will help reduce lead time, decrease transportation cost, and enhance responsiveness. Third characteristic is workforce availability and labor skill. Workforce availability, skill, and labor costs are directly associated with local demographic. It can describe on educational attachment, population characteristic, and income level at Klang. The fourth characteristic is expenses, cost, and taxes. Warehouse built at Port Klang Free Zone, and it is an integrated zone for a wide range of product and service to be permitted in the free zone without any payment of custom duties. Investor can either build their own facility. Service land plot of variable size are also available at reasonable rates to investors who wish to construct own facility.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Isma Nadira binti Namizam. Now I'm going to continue our group presentation for the core business of our company. So we are the company that provide warehousing services. So we are the company that comprise over 100,000 square feet erect and unracked warehousing. So with the space, we can fully ensure and against all risks and managed by well-trained personnel. So these are the advantages that we have because of the size of our warehouse and the employees that well trained. The goods stored in our warehouse are carefully tagged and marked for identification. So besides the security of the customer's product, we are also make sure that the products cannot easily changed by the other products. So that's why we are making the best presentation by tag and mark for the product. So the next one is we are providing the packaging and moving services. We can offer a professional and reliable packing and moving services because of we have the employees that are well trained to a high level in packing for most standard goods. So because of that, our company did not limit the size of the product that come into our warehouse because they are also capable in packing unusual, bulky, fragile and valuable items.
First of all, our business is freight forwarding. We handle cargo collection, repacking, custom clearance, documentation, engaging the best freight and delivery to the final destinations. We offer complete forwarding service by air, sea or land to any destination around the globe. We monitor our shipment until it arrives to its destinations. We are also expertise in industrial moving and service. Our experience are in moving office equipment and furniture. The size of the office doesn't matter. We are committed in our job by doing it smoothly and timely. By one of our methods are using floor and lift protectors, standard size box, and color levels for every move. Our proper equipment will be used to move servers, computers, and other sensitive equipment.
Next is storage mode system. First is single deep pallets. Racking provides access to each pallet stored in the rack. This gets around the honeycombing issue of stacking frame and block stacking. When a pallet is removed, the space is immediately available for a new pallet to be placed in that space. This type of ranking can be configured in any number of ways with various heights. This type very affordable, especially for first-timer. Second type is the double deep pallet. Its variant on the single deep rack that incorporates two single racks that are placed together. This reduces the number of outlets required, but this type of racking is susceptible to honeycombing, so may not be as efficient as a single deep racking. Also, a double reach forklift is required to place and remove pallets from the racking. The last type is the pushback rack. It's a LIFO solution where the load is placed into storage using a rail-wheeled carrier. When a load is placed into storage, the load pushes the other load back into the storage area. When a load is removed, the next load in the lane moves to the position where the other load was removed. This means that each lane with stock has a load in the optimum position for removal, and this racking method may not be suitable for warehouses required FIFO. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I'm going to continue about the materials handling that used in our warehouse. So the first one is lift truck picking. The lift truck picking we are using for the case picking operations because the forks can be used to keep the top level of the pallet near the operator's waist level to operate at high speed over long distance in the warehouse. So this lift truck picking can go for a long distance and it have large capacity. So it is also using less human power, which we can spend more employees at the other side, so the works can go well. The second one is order picker truck. Order picker truck, sometimes referred to as stock pickers or cherry pickers. It is enable the order picker to travel to pick locations well above floor level. So in our warehouse, we use the order picker truck to pick the slow moving items, such slow moving item that we refer as the not high demand product. So it is high density storage required, and it is more capacity. It can load more capacity in one time, such as in the range of 50 to 100 cases per person hour. The third materials handling that we use are pallet jack picking. the pallet jack picking is the most many employees use to run the materials handling. It is mostly using human power manually, and it have limited capacity in one time. It is also can run for a short distance only, so that's why we are using the two similar types of material handling, but using the different amount of human power. So because of the least human power needed at the lift truck picking, we can ask more employees to handle the pallet jack picking, since it is run manually and need many human power. Thank you.
Next, our material handling also include conveyor belt, which had less travel distance between peaks for a downstream sortation and palletizing systems. Stackers are also one of our material handling methods, which help to pile bulk material that can be used in smaller space.
For the last one, technology in our house, we use a robotic shelter, barcode scanner, mobile computer, and the last one is mobile printer. So, this is the technology robotic shelter that our warehouse use. Very high technology and insecure of the technology. Next is the barcode. That is the barcode when we want to scan our goods. For the third one is mobile computer. Very small and easy to bring anywhere in the warehouse. A lot of advantage of using this technology. I very recommend to another warehouse to use this technology. And the last one is mobile printer. Very small and easy to use and easy go. Can print anywhere at the warehouse and can print anywhere. That's all from me and my group. Thank you.